What's up, guys? Paul Perez, the roof expert with Texas Family Roofing. Today we are going to talk about that number one question that everybody has about their insurance claim is, can you waive my deductible? Let's get started. So we get this question a lot. It's like, hey, Paul, can you guys waive my deductible? There's a bunch of roofers doing it. I got a couple guys out there that said they would waive my deductible so that you can take on my roofing project. So we're here at the office, and what we're going to do is we're going to get with Caroline. She runs this office. Maria is also here, and let's ask them those questions. Let's, as if we were homeowners, we want to know, can you waive my deductible? Let's walk in. I don't think I can flip this over, so I'll have to move on to the next clip. What's up, ladies?
Hello.
How are you?
Good.
So I did tell Caroline that we were going to be here asking a couple of questions. So she agreed.
I did.
All right, Caroline. So what we want to do is we want to talk about deductibles. The one question that I get from homeowners is, can you waive my deductible? And well, that's pretty much it. They say, can you cover my deductible? And what do you think?
Yep, I don't think you should do that. Yep, the insurance company requires that as part of your agreement with them. And if you waive the deductible, that's technically committing insurance fraud against the state of Texas. So you do have to pay your deductible as it's listed in your insurance claim.
Okay, cool. So I don't know if you guys can hear me or not because I have the microphone towards Caroline. But so that's good, right? But how are all of these other roofers saying, like, yeah, I will cover your deductible? Like is it, how are they doing it? Or how are they, I don't know, how are they doing that?
I'm not sure exactly how they're doing it because the insurance companies are cracking down on people who are trying to avoid paying a deductible, or roofers who are saying, yeah, I'll pay your deductible, we just won't we won't worry about it and you'll just use your insurance funds. But the insurance companies have picked up on that and now require proof of payment for your deductible.
Okay, cool. So let me I got a couple other questions to ask you. Good?
Yep.
All right. Hey guys, welcome back. I was here asking Caroline some questions. We want to talk about deductibles, and there's a lot of companies out there waiving them. I want to know how they're waiving them. Obviously Caroline runs the office here. She's letting us know. It's almost impossible to do it. Let's say we were to say, I'm going to waive your deductible. We already know that that's going to be insurance fraud, right? Mm-hmm. So that's insurance fraud. We're not able to do that. And how are the insurance companies cracking down one more time? What are they requiring that we do as a legit company? What do we have to do, or what do we have to submit to the insurance company in order for this to go smoothly?
Yeah, so yeah, as I said earlier, the insurance companies have figured out that people are waiving deductibles, and so now they're not only requiring proof of a check, but they're requiring proof of a deposited payment. So they're going to require a bank statement or something that's run through a bank account saying that this person has paid their deductible.
Right. So even if your contractor says, yeah, don't worry, I'll cover your deductible, it's almost impossible because you're having to show the actual check that got deposited before they release the final check, right?
Yeah, they won't release depreciation or any final payment until they've seen proof of it from the homeowner. So it can't be, a company check or anything like that. It's got to have the homeowner's name on it with the correct amount for the deductible.
And it has to be deposited into the contractor's bank account in order for it to be valid, right? You can't just make one up, take a picture of it, and send it through.
Yeah, they won't accept just a picture of a check as it's written. It's got to be processed through a bank account.
Okay, great. Now, what if I'm the homeowner and I have cash, and I'm like, okay, my deductible's $1,000. Caroline, I want to give you $1,000 cash. Does that work?
Nope, not anymore. Cash can't be traced to a specific person, and so you've got to be able to have their name on it with the amount for the deductible and show that it's deposited. So cash does not work.
Okay, cool. So there you have it, folks. I mean, they're cracking down. It is state law. It has to be paid. We don't waive deductibles. There may be people that are telling you that they will, but you will run into that problem once you get the roof done and it's time to receive the money, the depreciation from the homeowner. I mean, from the insurance company. They may not release it without the proper documentation.
Yep.
So awesome. All right, guys. We'll see you on the next video, and thanks for watching. All right, guys. Hey, look, you heard it straight from Caroline. She runs the office. She's in charge of all this good stuff. Maria's here. She doesn't want to be on camera. We're going to get her in there. Hey, listen, deductibles are important. They're all you have to pay to be able to improve the value of your home. So it's definitely worth it. You could be getting a $20,000, $30,000 upgrade on your home for only maybe $1,000, you know, whatever your deductible is. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you learned something, please, please, please buy me a coffee. I'm going to leave the link down below. We'll see you guys soon. Bye.